Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about smart pointer C++ and we will go through few examples and then see, I will explain you why it is better than normal pointers, okay? So by definition it says that it's just a wrapper over normal pointer, okay? And it helps you in better memory management. On the left side you can see here there is an old way of creating a pointer and allocating a memory. Test is a class and you are creating a new object and allocating a memory, dynamic memory right here, and delete is the keyword used to free that memory. So this is the allocation, this is the deallocation part. On the right side, this is the smart pointer way. Unique pointer is basically one of the type of different smart pointers. So I will explain this on other videos, but for now just we are focusing on the unique pointer only. Okay, the syntax here is the type of smart pointer and the class for which you want to create a new objects. Okay, and this is the syntax for creation. You will see the difference here. There is a no deletion part in the smart pointer. So the smart pointer will automatically get deallocated once its use has been stopped. Means when you go out of scope, then it automatically get deleted. You don't need to worry about the memory deallocation part. So this is the major difference, one of the major difference between normal pointer and smart pointer. Then the question comes, why we need smart pointers? The major enhancement in smart pointer is it solves the memory leaks. It means what is memory leak? Memory leak is basically you have allocated some memory through new keyword, but you forget to delete that. It means there is some memory got leaked. So if you are using a very big software, big program, if you keep on allocating the memory and you forget to delete, then it will create a huge chunk of data which is unusable for next operation. So through smart pointer you can solve this problem, and we will go through few examples and I will explain you how smart pointers helps in fixing the leaks. Okay, so let's jump to the examples. So in this example I have created a class test. Okay, in this there is a constructor in which I have written C out of constructor called, and there is a disk constructor. I have given message instructor called, and there is a print function which simply prints the hello world. Okay, and I have created one function here, my function, and inside that I have created an instance of that test class, or an object of that test class using new keyword. When I have created a dynamic memory and created one object. Okay, and I've called the print function here, and finally I have used delete keyword to deallocate the memory. Fine, one object creation and finally deletion. And the okay, for now just remove these things. Fine, and the main function I have called that my function. Fine, 3 steps. Now just run this function, run this program. Fine. So you can see here, first the my function get called, and inside that new object created, and it called the constructor called. Fine, and there is a print function here. It prints the hello world, and finally the destructor get called because we have called the delete function, delete keyword here. So the messages are clear and exactly like what is written in the my function here. Now if you comment out the delete code, okay, and if you run this thing, you will see here only the constructor called and the hello world, no destructor called here because we missed the delete keyword here. So this is called memory leak. Means if you are allocating multiple objects through dynamic memory allocation, but you forget to delete that. So these are the memory leaks, and it keep on accumulating and consuming the system memory. Fine. So now we will understand how smart pointers works. Okay. So I have written a smart pointer function, same function. I have created a unit pointer, and I have created an object through unique pointer here, and just call the print function, no delete function here, and I have called that my function dot start. I will comment the original function I called the smart one. Fine, let's run the program. You can see here when this my smart function get called, it created an object constructor called and it print the function, and finally automatically when it go out of the scope, it automatically destructor get called. So see here, you do not need to worry about the delocation part. It automatically taken care by the smart pointer. So this is a huge benefit. You're writing very big program and you're passing pointer here and there through different functions. So it may happen that you miss to deallocate that memory, but the smart pointer will take care of that and it will help you in better memory management. So this is the one of the major benefit over normal pointers. Okay, and the use is the same like normal pointer. You use dash and greater than operator to call the function, or star t to get the object of that pointer, or you can call this way. Same like normal pointer here. So if on the user side there is no major difference, but the benefit is like you means it will betterly manage your memory here. So it's a quite good useful thing, and it's very much recommended to use smart pointer in your regular code. Thank you. On the